Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I have the July 2024 CatLadyBox. I'm gonna jump right into the contents because I am so excited to see what's in here. So I just cut the tape, I didn't do anything else. And this is what this month's box looks like. Looks like we have a Cat Lady card. This is the featured artist card. They always have an artist card, and on the back they have all the pricing for all the items inside the box. So let's start with the toys. There are two toys in this box. The first one is Granny Bloomers. It's a little pair of granny pants. Look at that. And it does have catnip in it. These are valued at $4.99. I'm gonna give this to my cat, Levi. You want to get the Granny Bloomers, Levi? Oh, he's ignoring me. Imagine that, imagine a cat ignoring you. Okay, that's the first toy. And then the second toy, we have one of those little poles with the hanging toy. And this month it is a piece of candy. And doesn't say that there's catnip in it. It's kind of like a fishing pole toy. These are great, especially for kittens. I have a kitten who is quickly growing into a cat. And a little bit of an aggressive cat. He's a love bug, but as a male cat, I've always used to have female cats. Come here, Levi. You want this? This one is quite aggressive sometimes. So let's go. You want to see it? Well, he might come over and maybe I can get him in the camera. Here he is. This is Levi. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, he's trying to bite me right there. Okay, here's your toy. Got to redirect. Redirect. That's what I keep reading is redirect to something else. I'm gonna put you over here. Let's go on with the other contents. We got a notepad, CatLadyBox exclusive. It says make today a meowsing instead of amazing. Meowsing. And that notepad is really cute, $7.99 for a notepad. I can always use one of these around the house. I just actually love the CatLadyBox specialty items that they put in each box. And this one is too cute. It's wooden cat clips. Oh my, what is that valued at? That is valued at $11.99. Oh my Lanta, this is really cute. Levi also loves to play with all this plastic packaging. Crumple it up in a little boy. Oh, Levi. Good to go. Aren't those cute? We got 3 cat clips. Oh, very good. They're like wooden clothespins, but the heavy duty kind. So you can use this for a variety of things. I really like this. This is so cute. We got 3 of those. And then we got, oh wow, what is this? I don't even know if this is on the note card. It is not. That is so weird. I don't know what it is. But it looks like an ice cube tray with cat paws. If that's what it is. Oh wow, is this adorable? It looks like an ice cube tray. Or maybe you can make little candies in here, but I think it's an ice cube tray. It's really strange. It's not on my card. It's not on the comment card at all. Even as like a extra thing. That's crazy. So you're gonna get this too. That is so cute. Ice cube tray. And then we have, what's it says here? No. Look at these slippers. Oh my. CatLadyBox, they're the treat of the month for me. If you ever know anything about me, I'm always wearing slippers. And look at these slippers, they're so adorable. It's like one size fits all. And on the back, you clean the floor with them. Has that, oh my goodness. And my whole place is floors. They can always use a nice cleaning. Let me put one of these puppies on. Look at this, is so cute. Adorable. All right, I digress. The last thing in the box is the t-shirt, which I love their t-shirts. I'm starting quite the collection. It is a heart with a bunch of sentiments like toe beams, fuzzy belly, perfection, sweet meows, snuggle bug, loving gaze, velvet ears. Isn't that cute? I love their t-shirts. I get the medium, and I always find it just a perfect size, and they haven't been shrinking for me. Although I do tell my husband, no, put them in the dryer, but this is a really nice shirt, and I really like this color, really cute color. So let me do a quick recap. We got the shirt, we got the surprise gift, which looks like an ice cube tray. We got the little clips, the notepad. Did I say the fuzzy slippers? I'm losing it. We got the toys. Levi's playing with one of the toys right here. And we got the little granny panties catnip toy. So very successful, fun box for July. I'll put their website down below. If you use the code GOLDEN, you're gonna get 20% off. Thank you, CatLadyBox, for sending me this over. I so appreciate it. This is just always a treat. And Levi's gonna say goodbye. Say bye-bye, say bye-bye. Love you. Say, I'm not gonna bite mommy anymore. No, no, no. We'll see, we'll see. Anyway, guys, have a great one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.